Welcome, today in front of me HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here we can see our media, call, ringtone and notifications and alarm volume panels. We should just hold and drag these dots to the left or to the right side to change the volume. Also, we can turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode. We can set the shadows, the start and the end time to just allow calls or notifications from any people, applications. We can also here change the phone ringtone, the notification and alarm sounds. We can use also pin media player and to show media recommendations by using these switchers. Also here we can switch vibration for call settings, and in advanced settings we can also turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charge sounds, touch sounds and touch vibration of our device screen. So to use these options you should use these switchers. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.